Previously on our day 3 of the Giang Motorbike loop. We visited the Dongvan Sunday market and got impressed of how crowded, colorful and active it was. We also went up north to the Leng flag tower, near the border with China. And finally, we saw the stunning Leng Pass before arriving to our destination, Meo Vac. The morning in Meo Vac started rainy and foggy. Our journey wasn't warm and sunny anymore. And yes, the worst was yet to come.
Before departing, we killed some time in Meo Vac playing some cards with our Travelmates. But as soon as we saw the rain stopped, we got on the road. But before that, we made sure we were better equipped. We bought some gloves and we had to wear some more layers under the jacket and wrap our faces with the scarves.
In Meo Vac we were at 1,300 meters of altitude, while on the way to Bao Lac we went down to 800 meters. The weather was getting better, and even though some parts of the road were in very bad conditions, we had a pleasant ride.
As we said, many parts of the road were in not very good state. Some parts with gravel, some parts being asphalted, and some parts were narrow with some trucks coming and going. As beginners, it was quite challenging, but it wasn't a big problem.
This time, the road didn't offer any interesting spot in particular to stop and admire the views. So we went all the way straight to our destination, Bao Lac. Finally, after riding 55 kilometers, we arrived in Bao Lac.
When we got there, we saw a town not very different from the ones we had seen before. Bao Lac district has a population of 50,000, a bit less than the previous town Meo Vac. We checked in at our hotel and took a walk around the town. The kids were coming out from the school and the market was still open. We had some late lunch or early dinner. And then we met again with Adi and Jean.
We were exhausted and we all needed to take a good rest, so we decided to call it a night and meet for breakfast on the next day. On our next episode, we got in some trouble.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, I almost died. There were moments that we were totally inside the...
Thanks for watching this video.
If you like this video, click like, leave a comment, and support us by subscribing to our channel.
Visit and follow our Facebook page and Instagram, and read our stories and travel articles on our blog.